Okay, divas, so today we'll be hopping right in. Guess who forgot to film an intro? Me. I'm still sick, so you guys have to excuse that. But anyways, jumping right in, today we have a unit by Zury Hollywood. This is their 360 crisscross lace, and I have it in the style straight in the color number 1B. So here it is. So here's the cap construction. As you guys can see, it's in 4 ponytails. It's very similar to the Vixen type of wig. So it has the 4-way crisscross parting, and the difference between those and this one is that this actually has lace all the way around, which makes it a lot more versatile and easy to put it into a ponytail if you choose to do that. So this unit does feature 2 combs in the front as well as 2 combs in the back with the adjustable straps and the lace around the perimeter, as I mentioned before. It also features a lace across the crisscross and 4-way parting, as you guys can see, and this lace is Swiss soft lace. It also features baby hairs in the back, which will make it a lot easier when you want to pull it up into a ponytail. And here is how the parting space looks. It looks really good and really natural. But one problem I'm having with this unit is that it's not really big head friendly, but I'm still gonna make it work. So yeah, for all the girls out there with big heads, like, you can make it work, but it's not big head friendly. So this unit does fall at about maybe like 22 to 24 inches on me. And here is the hairline. The hairline is really nice on this one, and it does have good baby hairs on this one as well. All you have to do is go in and cut them down a little bit. This unit did have a little bit of shedding, as I will show you guys. So you can't really see it on camera, but it did have some shedding. And here is how the parting space looks, and it looks really good. I didn't even add powder at all in this video, so you know that speaks volumes. But anyways, I'm just gonna brush out the hair, and yeah, that's pretty much how it looks. And I'll be finishing with my closing thoughts. But overall, as you guys can see, this is a really gorgeous, pretty straight unit. Okay, divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about this unit. So let's just jump right into the pros and the cons. Okay, divas, so let's go ahead and talk about the pros. So the pros about this hair is the style number 1. It is a very simple straight unit. I really do like it. I also love that it has like a yaki texture and feel, and it does feel and look very, very natural. Like, I really do love the appearance. I love the length. I love the density. Everything about this unit, it like, as far as look wise, like, is really, really nice. It does have a nice parting space as well, as you guys can see. And this one is actually a 360 crisscross, so which means that you can part it in the 4 ponytails, 2 ponytails at the top, 1. It's very versatile, so you can do a lot with this unit, which is really, really good. And yeah, and then it does also come with baby hairs. I did not choose to utilize those, but they are very like thin and natural looking, so you won't have to worry about going in and having to customize them extremely too much. So yeah, overall this unit is really nice. So although this unit is really, really nice, this unit does have cons. So one of the main cons that I've noticed is that this hair does have some shedding, and it's a little bit more than normal shedding. I wouldn't say that it sheds like crazy. You can go ahead and brush it out, and once you brush it out, after a while, like, the shedding will stop. But I did notice that there was some shedding. Another con, just for me personally, is that I will not be able to like do this hair like up or anything, because of the simple fact that the wig stopped right here, and then this is my hairline. So this unit is not friendly for my hairline in particular, and that's just the con that I have. That does not have to be a con for you, but for me, there's just not, like, the wig doesn't like provide me with the full coverage, so it just would not work for me unless I wear it in the middle part. Now, it looks really good in this middle part, but if I wanted to be versatile with this particular unit, I would not be able to do that. But that is okay. I am glad that they came out with something that maybe my medium to smaller head divas can work with. Now, if you do have a larger size head like myself, you can definitely make this work, especially obviously if your hairline does not protrude out to your eyebrows like mine does, you could definitely still go in and make this work. But however, for me, I can't make it work, and that was one of my cons, as well as the shedding. So that is pretty much it for my cons. So would I recommend this unit? I would definitely recommend this unit. This is very nice. It is nice for me. I can wear it in the middle part, which is typically how I would probably wear it anyways, because I don't really like to do my units in like an updo or something. If I want my hair in a ponytail, then I will pretty much probably do it with my hair, or figure out some type of way to manipulate my hair to go in a ponytail. I definitely wouldn't do it on my wig. That's just how I feel right now. I could change. I have done half up, half down, but I feel like this is really good for me, because if I have this beautiful yucky natural looking luster, like I want to show it off and wear it down. So I would definitely wear this one down anyway. So if you have a larger size head like myself, this is a really good straight unit for wearing it down. So yeah, I really do like it. I think that this unit is absolutely gorgeous. The parting space is amazing, and it looks super natural, especially because it does go throughout the entire unit. So yeah, it does look really natural. So I would definitely recommend this unit. So I do have a surprise for you guys before I go ahead and close out the video. I have a brand new unit just like this one. This one is in the color number 1B, but this one is in the color number 1. When I purchased it from my local beauty supply store, they did not have any more 1Bs. I did try to get one for you guys, but I do have a 1, so it is very, very close to similar. You will barely be able to tell the difference, but I do have one for you guys, so that means it's a giveaway. Yay! And also, before I close out the video, I did want to go ahead and say thank you guys so much for your love and support. It really does mean a lot to me. I'm just happy that I'm able to come onto my platform and I can inform some of you divas about some things. Some of you guys enjoy my goofy moments, and sometimes you guys just enjoy my content overall, and I'm grateful for it all. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I truly and like really love you guys so much. Like, you guys just don't understand. I love the fact that I have this space where I can come, and if it wasn't for you guys watching, this would definitely mean nothing. So I am very, very, very grateful for you guys. And so yeah, for the rules for the giveaway, I will have them down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. It will have all the rules, as well as how long the giveaway will be going on. So yeah, I just wanted to pop that quick surprise in for you guys. So yeah, but yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And girl, make sure you hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.